now looking at the cones of white pine. Much different than pitch pine. And there's the Egg Harbor Lake. A lot of ducks and geese out there. Let's see if I can get closer without scaring them. A lot of those are probably Canada geese, which are non-native. They don't belong here, but they're here. There we go. Lots of geese and ducks. Ducks are quacking away. Way over there in the distance is County Route 563 and the Western Lake on the other side of it. Two lakes are divided. Pan the camera around without going into the sun. One of the dams is here. Typical foam, usually seen when the water is stirred up in the Pine Barrens and cedar water. There's a nice American holly back there. There it is. There's some flowing water there coming out of the lake. There's something unusual, a birch tree, gray birch, kind of out of place. There's some Atlantic white cedar, some sweet bay magnolia, more white cedar right there. There's a nice one, a young one. It's typical, they grow in the streams. Go back across the dam here. There's a good view of a little footbridge. The water's quite shallow in this lake. There's a white domestic duck. I don't know if you can see him. There's the native trees there. I don't know my ducks, but there's some interesting ducks right here. See if I can get close without them going away. Unfortunately, I can't zoom. How well you can see them. Funny looking. Look at these guys right here. The white domestic duck. I was here one time at Egg Harbor Lake, and there appeared to be some black swans or something out in the lake, along with some white swans or geese. At that moment I wasn't sure what they were. I got out of the truck to take their picture, and they chased me right back into the truck. Yeah. What an experience. I don't know what that was all about. There's a view down Indian Cabin. Okay folks, we're back. This time we're further north in Egg Harbor City. We are now in the ghost town of Gloucester Furnace, one of the early 19th century iron making towns of the Pine Barrens. Just down this embankment is the Landing Creek, which flows into the Mullica River. The Mullica River, of course, is one of the most famous Pine Barrens rivers, one of the most famous South Jersey rivers. This whole area was dammed up to form Gloucester Lake, which was the lake used for water power for Gloucester Furnace, and probably a grist mill, sawmill, some assorted other things. Now, actually at the moment, down here at the level of the stream, we are standing in what was the lake, or close to it.